Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off blink camera without application. So if you want to basically temporarily turn off your blink camera, then without your mobile application, what you can do is you can simply turn off or disarm a blink camera by removing the power. So you just have to simply unmount the blink camera, then open the battery door. You need to use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to unscrew the battery door. After that, you just have to remove either of the batteries will not turn off will turn off your blink camera. So once you remove the battery, your camera will be turned off, and this is one of the temporary solutions. In addition to this, what you can do is you can simply turn off your sync module as well. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.